Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, my dear traders and YouTubers. How is everyone doing? Today, I'm here again making another video, which is very exciting video for you. This video is all about some 7 strategies that can help you to actually smack in that market. So this video will help you to understand how even catching those small pips can make you a huge winner. And to understand that nuggets, golden nuggets, you have to watch this video until the end. And I'm going to share with you these golden nuggets. So I hope you are enjoying your day today. Today is new week. Oh my God, I'm excited. You can see my charts are ready to smack the market, and it is happening whatever I was actually predicted. This is all about the highest potential trade that you are going to trade. You're not going to play in the market because market is not here to look up our financial situation. Suppose you need a lot of money right now. Market is not going to help you. Okay, this person needs a lot of money. I should go in this direction. That is why it will never do that. That is why I am going to share these 7 nuggets. Please make a note. Please make a note of this information. And here we go. So there is, as I said, 7 winning strategies are very powerful. I want you to understand this session probably will be only my talkings. I'm not going to share. This is all about your mind, your money, and which method are you using. Number one is, as I said, your mind. What are you looking into the market? Do you have that mind to become the millionaire? Always, before you trade, always touch your head. I have a millionaire mindset. You have to have that millionaire mindset before you become the millionaire, okay? And your money will multiply if you value your money, current money, because we are here to win. We are not here to lose. Yes, we have to take some losses. As a trader, I can tell you that there is no wins without losses, but your method makes the difference. Which method are you using to apply or enter the market? So that is why this discipline, 7 disciplinary strategies that will help you to multiply your money. I believe you're getting what I'm trying to say. Number 1 is market sentiments. So the Forex market is heavily driven by the market sentiments. How our heartbeats moves, probably you already know. It is a line, isn't it? So it is a market sentiments that influences traders' decision by triggering certain emotions and thoughts. Find out what defines the current market sentiments and how you can incorporate market sentiments analysis into your trading. So, as I said, it is all about the sentiments, how you feeling, what is your thought pattern, or probably who are the market makers, what they might be thinking right now. Second, very powerful strategies, that is trend riding. Trend is our friend. We say that, right? It is true, but sometimes it may not be true. But there are short-term trend and the long-term trend. So which trend are you following? That is why there is so much more to riding trends than simply closing your eyes and buying at the point during an uptrend or short selling at any point during a downtrend. We don't want to do that. We don't want to sell in the support. I mean, you don't want to sell in the support. Market has showed already enough. Now market will do some retracement or it will do some correction. We do not want to sell in that support zone, right? We do not want to buy again. It has already reached the highest level, say resistance. Then we don't want to buy from that level. So we want to wait for market to probably pull back a little bit and then correction. And then we want to buy the market if it is uptrending. So this chapter, I mean, especially in this particular session, is going to show you that how you can jump on a trend when trend is most robust, means ready to go to the next entry. So rather than it is about to end, we don't want to get to the market which it's about to end. I mean, in the trend, we're talking about the trend riding. This way, you can also ride a trend with a higher chance of success. That's why I'm always talking about, are you taking those highest probability trade? Because we are not 100% certain what market is about to do in the market, because we are not making the market. There's someone else who is controlling, not even controlling, they're riding the market. we are taking their rights and making some pips and getting out of the market. Isn't that great to understand what they might be feeling right now and what could be the sentiments and understanding the right of the trade? Now, the very powerful third strategy that you can also always make a note is breakout fading. So many false breakouts occur in Forex price chart. So that is also, I say, a price action is the most important type of trade and trading analysis or the pattern, whatever the synthesis you are using. The occurrence of these fake outs, I said sometimes breakouts or sometimes breakouts. Hope it's making some sense. So these fake outs provides the perfect opportunity for fading breakouts. That is why the trading against those breakouts in the market actually happens. This is going to probably in the market, or sometime there will be stop out. I would say that is the point where most of the trader will put the stop loss just below the support zone. And what happens? Fake out. That is what market wants to do. It wants to lose. It wants you to lose your money, and then it will take all those money to its own on account, or whatever you say. There is someone who is controlling it. But that's why you do not want to mispredict in this kind of fake out zone. Okay, this is a breakout zone. This is a fading. So it break out the zone, but eventually it is not a breakout. It is actually it is a breakout. It is not a breakout. It's called fading. False information is shown to you that okay, now market has crossed this boundary. Now I need to sell. But what happens is suddenly market will start to buy. Okay, so another strategy, which is the fourth one, is this is a breakout trading. Are you a trader who is taking trade during your breakouts? So when currency prices break out of the certain price level, because there are some price levels, a large sustained move in the direction of the market without any occur, giving rise to a situation whereby big profits could potentially be captured at least at that point of time. Means you want to capture that pips, at least say 50. I don't want to go up to 50 pips. If you are a really serious trader, you can scalp 10 pips each 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes candlestick. You don't maybe stay in front of computer for 15-20 minutes, even maximum 1 hour, then you're done for the day. You make a living out of it. Not only living out of it, you can make a fortune. You can collect your money, give to the charity. Why I'm saying that to you is you can also help other people to understand that, yes, there is something that you can learn and earn at the same time. But people take this as a granted, and also they think that this is scam and this doesn't work. It doesn't work for those who are here only for the money. You are here with your right mindset. You are here with the right amount of money, because all the small accounts, remember that, those will be zero. Most of the small accounts will be even blown away, maybe in the first or second or third trades, because of the lack of knowledge in lot size. That is all risk management as well. And also, we want to understand how this breakouts trading help us to make money, because breakout is sometimes, yes, the market is about to change the trend. That is called reversal pattern, and sometimes continuation also may happen. Number four strategies that you can actually use it is my special strategy. I don't know if you have heard already in YouTube channel or somewhere else in documentation or someone is teaching, but this is wicks off. If you are seeing wicks are actually getting larger and larger in the direction of the market, means that trend is going to end very, very soon. That is decreased volatility breakouts. Decreased volatility breakouts means this kind of strategy will actually help you to check whether the market is about to break out and change the trend. Because in both cases, the trader will be hoping for actually successful entry during that price breakout, but it may be wrong. But when the wicks are getting longer and longer, means that market is getting less powerful. You can say another trend is about to happen very, very soon. So that is a decreased volatility. When you can see the long candlestick, those are the powerful market makers, also institution, also smart money concept, I believe. Those are the peeps you want to catch. When those big, larger candlesticks are getting shorter and shorter and shorter, and there are more wicks are coming, means that market is about to end very soon. You are going to look at those points where you can enter the market only at the point that you will actually win. We want to enter the market only those market where there is a high success, high level of success. Isn't that crazy? That is crazy. Look, if I knew this one, I wouldn't have to lose some money. Yeah, everyone has lost some money. That's why you are here to win. Yes. Now, most of my trade, they are really, really profitable. I will show you how as well because of this strategy. The sixth strategy that I use is, what kind of trade are you actually following? Do you have some kind of trading plan? I always tell that there is some fundamental strategy as well. That is, I will tell you, this is a carry trade is some kind of strategy that also you can follow. This is a fundamental trading strategy that is highly favored by institutional investor. Carry trade. That's where I was talking about the big candlesticks. Okay, I also want to share with you that how this works. So I will make another part B for this one, this sixth strategy, because this is really, really powerful. I will share with you. Okay, because I'm here to help you, support you, guide you, whatever you are doing, whatever the skill you are learning, especially in Forex. It can be implemented in stock market, in cryptos, every market, because market does the same thing anyways over again and again and again. The history repeats. Sometimes it repeats for longer term, sometimes it repeats for short term. That's it. So carry trade is that I was talking about, the big candlesticks. Yes, if you can master that skill, when this kind of candlestick going to appear, you cannot win any trade. You cannot lose any trade, because you know the market is about to shoot high because you saw something. And there are some candlestick patterns as well. I'm going to make another video for the candlestick patterns. Are absolutely powerful strategy as well that you can use in carry trade kind of strategy. Here, you should always keep in mind when you are adopting this carry trade, means institutional smart money concept. I will always say smart money concept. This is the sixth strategy. Powerful, yes, yet very complicated sometimes to understand, because it took me a while to understand how this smart money concept work. And this, when you adopt this smart money concept analysis or strategy, you hardly lose any money, because you're not going to take any trade in those consolidation zone. Most of the traders, they enter the market when the market is not even moving. You want to move in the market when those market makers are moving, shooting high or shooting low. Lastly, new threading. What do you mean by that? I mean, this is extremely sensitive, because when you saw the news, for example, last Friday, there was a news. Have you seen the spike? Actually, I'm talking about gold. I keep watching gold a lot, even though I do trade other euro and GBP pairs, etc. But I still look at the gold, because why? Yes, because I was very new when I started learning. I didn't know how to usually take trade seriously. I came from the same place where you are right now. Probably you're learning. I lost a lot of money in gold. Not lost, but I lost because I didn't know how to manage those trades. I knew it was going to buy, but I didn't know whether how long it would buy. Sometimes the TP would be completely crazy TP, which would never go to touch that TP. Sometimes the stop loss would be so low, it would, I mean, crazy, seriously, really crazy. So that is why this, I'm talking about the market. Forex market actually is extremely sensitive to economy and geopolitical news from around the world. What do you mean by news are very powerful? Sometimes you can also use those news to trade. Some people, they only trade during those news. Why? Because they know the market actually doesn't have any kind of other technical analysis. I mean, you can do a lot of technical analysis, but it doesn't follow. It will go to the fundamental. That is why mostly it happens in industrialized countries when this news come. The underlying reason why news is so important for forex trading is that each new piece of information can potentially change the trader's perception of the current and or the future situation relating to the outlook of certain currency pairs. I gave an example. There was a big spike. If you say I can make another video, I can share my screen quickly, but it is not necessary in this video because I didn't want to share anything, but I wanted to talk in front of you that how this 7 type of strategy helped me boost my result. And now most of the trades, I know, even I'm in a trade for a couple of hours, I know it might go certain area, and it actually comes with the experience. Remember that everything comes with experience and practice. Once you start to practice those highly probability trade, you will understand that yes, it is possible. Because I was about to give up in this industry. I will be very honest. I was about to give up because I thought this is not for me. But now I realize that no, I have to teach my students, I have to teach other people that yes, you will sometimes feel you will about to give up, but the day will come, you will win most of the trades. 9 out of 10 trades will go. Last week, none of my trade went in loss. And this is an example that yes, every single trader, one day they were a beginner, but now they know what to do in the market. That's why what I want to do is I want to just say thank you for every single person who is coming here and sharing all those comments, and actually it is helping you. That is absolutely fantastic. And keep watching, keep loving, and keep supporting. I will come with the next lengthy videos with the 7 strategies with a beautiful presentation. I will also come with my result, which is smacking every single day. Having said that, you have a lovely day today. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video if you thought this was powerful and helpful for you. Now, I would like to say goodbye for now and have a lovely day. See you in the next video, guys.